back to my channel. If you're new here for the first time, welcome. Today I am at Napanee River Trails and I hope you enjoy this video. See, this is Napanee River Trail and you guys will not believe what is here. This is actually amazing. And hence the name. There is also a trail you can go on, and it actually goes for quite a bit. It goes all the way to like back there. I'm not gonna go there today, but it's actually a very nice trail. Do you like waterfalls? Do you like waterfalls? I take that as yes. The trail also continues this way. Little brother again. Yeah, it's really beautiful. The water is beautiful. Everything is beautiful. Amir, can you do froggy jump? That's it for this short little video, and you guys should actually consider coming here sometime. It's a little loud, I'll tell you that. I'm kind of screaming, but it is really beautiful, and I hope to see you guys soon. Catch you later.